Hey, lovebirds. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and if you're still looking for the perfect gift for that special someone, you're in the right place. Whether you're shopping for your significant other, a best friend, or even treating yourself today, we're counting down the top 10 best gift ideas for Valentine's Day that are sure to impress. Let's get started. Starting off at number 10, we've got personalized jewelry. A custom necklace, bracelet, or ring with their initials, name, or even a meaningful date engraved on it is an unforgettable way to say, I love you. You can easily create personalized designs using Canva and order them through a variety of online stores. At number 9, how about a romantic dinner kit? You don't need to be a professional chef to make a beautiful dinner at home. A complete kit with gourmet ingredients and a recipe card will make it easy for you to create the perfect meal together. Number 8 is all about relaxation, spa day kits. Everyone loves to unwind, so why not treat your loved one to a luxurious at-home spa experience? Think candles, bath bombs, essential oils, and plush robes. You're gifting not just products, but the chance to unwind and rejuvenate. Number 7 is for the tech lovers. Gadgets. A sleek smartwatch, high-quality wireless earbuds, or even a smart home device like a voice assistant can make their life easier and way more fun. Tech gifts are always a hit, especially if your partner's into the latest innovations. Coming in at number 6, personalized love books. This is such a sweet and meaningful gift. You can create a custom love story with your names, places you've been, and memories you've shared. It's a perfect way to tell your unique love story in a beautiful, hardcover book they can treasure forever. Number 5 is all about experience gifts. Forget just material stuff. Give them an unforgettable experience. Think cooking classes, concert tickets, painting classes, travel, or a weekend getaway. Experiences create lasting memories, and that's a gift that truly stands the test of time. At number 4, we've got the most timeless gift, a handwritten love letter. Sometimes, the most meaningful gifts don't come in a box. Take a moment to write down your feelings and appreciation for your loved one. It's a gesture that's personal, heartfelt, and will mean more than any store-bought gift. At number 3, we've got a DIY terrarium kit. It's the perfect way to bring a little greenery and creativity into your relationship. This kit comes with everything you need: succulents, decorative stones, soil, and even mini figurines to personalize your little indoor garden. It's a fun and hands-on way to spend time together, creating something beautiful. Not only is it a thoughtful gift, but it's also a shared experience that lets you bond while crafting a lasting piece of nature for your home. At number 2, we've got a delicious way to show your love, a Valentine's Day sweets basket. Packed with gourmet chocolates, heart-shaped cookies, and other indulgent treats, this basket is perfect for satisfying their sweet tooth and showing them how much you care. It's the ultimate treat for a sweet Valentine's Day, and the best part? You can personalize it with their favorite flavors and goodies. And finally, at number 1, we have the couple's gifts. Matching items like custom mugs, hoodies, or phone cases are always adorable. They make you feel connected and in sync with each other, and who doesn't love matching outfits for a fun date night? There you have it, our top 10 best gift ideas for Valentine's Day. No matter your budget or your relationship status, there's something here for everyone. So, what's your favorite gift idea? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another video. Happy Valentine's Day!